How to add phone number in Google My Business. To add a phone number to your Google My Business, now known as a Google Business Profile, which you can see here, first of all, just go and click on sign in, right? And make sure you have the same ID from where you have, created it. Now this is how it will look. Go to the Google Business Profile page and click on this blue sign in, which we already did here. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the home tab. Click on this info tab from the menu on the left side of your screen, right? So here you can see business profile settings, right? And usually just go and click on it and it will open up, right? It will just give you some of this option here. Now if you don't find this option to add a phone number, that's fine, because I haven't added any of my phone number. So just go and click and scroll down a bit below. Here you will get this option of add phone number. Now enter your phone number. You can add more than one phone number here. Click on save. You will get an OTP to verify that it's your phone number here. Now once you edited this, right, you just automatically it will get saved. Also just go and click on get verified if you didn't, because it will ask the same number, it will ask your number, right? And once verified, then only your profile will be public, right? So this is how you can do so, and this is it. Thanks for watching this video.